Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products, and today we're going to be looking at this MMA 201 inverter DC welder. So let's get it out of the box and you can see what you get. So I've laid the contents of the packaging out on the table for you to see. First of all, we have the lightweight welder itself. It's only 6 kilograms, which comes fitted with a 16 amp heavy duty plug. We have the electrode lead, the earthing lead with the clamp, a small wire brush with chipping hammer, and then we have the user's manual. Now I do recommend that you read the manual thoroughly before use. So this machine is very simple to use. You would take your earthing clamp onto your earth point, quick simple connectors. You insert the connectors with the lug pointing upwards in, turn them clockwise and they lock in position. So that's the earth clamp there in the negative for standard MMA welding. And in exactly the same way, the electrode holder, again, fit the cable and connect. And it's as simple as that. That's how you connect the two cables to the unit. So on the rear of the unit here, you'll see the main switch, up for on and down for off. Also on the rear of the unit you will see this cooling fan. It's important not to block this area when you're using the welder. Couple of controls, very simple again on the front of the unit. This varies the amperage or output power of the welder, and you can vary it anywhere between 10 amps and the 200 amp maximum. So fully anti-clockwise 10 amps, somewhere in the middle 100, right round to the maximum of 200. And the amperage will be displayed here on this LED display. A couple of lights here on the top of the unit. When the green light is illuminated, it tells you that you're connected to the power. If this yellow light comes on at all, that's the overload protection light. If that comes on, it pretty much says that the unit has got too hot and you'll have to stop welding. When the light goes out, it's ready to weld again. And this unit at 200 amps at the maximum has a duty cycle of 10%, and obviously the lower the amperage that you're welding with, the longer the duty cycle. Again, at the front of the unit we have these vents here. It's important that these aren't blocked while the welder is running to allow airflow through the welder. You can see the specifications of the model here on the box. This particular one is the MMA 201. As you can see, various figures and facts as I was describing. 200 amp maximum at 28 volts with a range of 10 to 200 amps. Its no load voltage would be 65 volts, and it does have an IP21S protection class. Of course, one of the fantastic things about these little inverter welders is their extreme portability. At only 6 kilograms you can literally take it anywhere, which is perfect for this light duty machine. As I mentioned earlier, it does come with a 16 amp plug fitted. However, it will run off a 13 amp supply, but you won't be able to achieve the maximum amps. But at lower amperages on the inverter unit itself, you would be able to use a 13 amp plug. But as you get up to the 200, you will need to upgrade to the 16 amp. As an optional extra, a scratch start TIG welding torch is available for this unit. Well, I do hope you found this presentation useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thank you for watching.